Welcome to the Aetna Telehealth review. Find product links below. Aetna Telehealth offers convenient, affordable, and accessible healthcare integrated with Aetna health insurance plans. Members get 24/7 access to board-certified doctors, licensed therapists, and other healthcare professionals. Consult via video or phone with trusted partners like Telehealth and Minute Clinic for non-emergency needs like colds, flu, allergies, skin conditions, stress, anxiety, and depression. Perfect for busy individuals and families seeking alternatives to traditional doctor visits. Schedule quick appointments from home or on the go. Many consultations are low or no cost depending on your plan. Prescriptions can be sent directly to your pharmacy. Access nutritional counseling, substance use therapy, and other specialized services within your plan. User-friendly and compatible with smartphones, tablets, and computers, the platform provides a seamless, secure, and HIPAA-compliant experience. Your virtual visit details can be shared with your primary care provider. Aetna Telehealth delivers convenient, affordable, and comprehensive care, from minor illnesses to ongoing mental health support. Learn more and get started with the links below.